Hello and welcome to Precious Memory Box's Junk Journaling. And today I have a flip through of two journals that I purchased a couple years ago. And I have not written in them or done any more embellishing in them. They're original as from the way I purchased them. And I am considering selling them because I want someone else to be able to enjoy them and to use them and decorate them. And I'm also trying to get ready for a trip I'm going on, and I need to earn a little money to help for the trip. And so I thought I would share a flip through of these journals. So if anyone is interested, you can contact me and we can see what we can do. So let's start with this one. Like I said, these were journals I purchased from other. They both have a YouTube channel, and one of them has an Etsy shop. If you're interested in knowing who created them, I will put that down in the description. So this first journal has a soft cover, and it's embroidered with these beautiful little birds on it. Isn't that beautiful? It has two signatures in it, and it has a chiffon ribbon as the closure that you can tell is I need to cut a few of the strings on it from it coming undone a little bit. But it's a beautiful green here, and then kind of a turquoise bluish green, and it has a pink trim on it. And so when you open up the cover, it has a lace pocket on the inside, and it has a tag and a piece of ephemera, like a, an antique. It says from 1805, but I believe this is just scrapbook paper or printable there. And then we have a tuck spot that created as a tag sewn around. We have this beautiful piece of just printable ephemera here. Now this one is an authentic piece of ephemera. Let's see if I don't see a date on it, but there is some light writing on it, and you can tell it's quite old. So we'll put that back in there, and then we'll just kind of flip through some book pages. We have a glassine bag with a little book inside, and let's see, I think it might flip up. I can't remember. So we'll take this little bow off. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little scrap pad. So some little scrap paper in there that you can write on. And we'll put the little bow back on. Feels like kind of like I'm not sure if that's sari silk, but it's got a really soft little bow there. We'll put it back in our bag. And then we have, I think that was my receipt. I was wondering where that went to. And then we have here just some more journaling pages. This is a piece of material that she's sewn in here. Here's another one of those vintage receipts that she's sewn in. We've got some different types of paper. This is like a tuck spot, like a pocket she made with a journaling card. We have a blue doily. Another little pocket. I think this one has something in it too. Yep, another little journaling card. Oops, I missed the pocket. There we go. We've got like some music paper where you would write your own music if you were a composer or writer. Some beautiful tea stain dyed paper. Another beautiful doily that was sewed on. Beautiful scrapbook paper in here. Here's another part of the glassine bag and a journaling card. And then this is the other side of the paper. And it's pansies and forget-me-nots. And on this side is about snowdrops. And then we've got a double. So these are tags that she created and sewed onto the page with tags that she created to like journaling cards, and they're sewn around the edge and have a little grommet. I don't know why I call those grommets. What are they called? Oh, my brain's not working here. Oh, eyelets, with eyelets and some little string. We've got a piece of embossed paper here. So that was our first signature, and our second signature starts out with a pocket with a journaling card, a tuck spot with some paper to write on, more beautiful doilies, and she's made a pocket out of the doily with a journaling card inside. And then we have a pocket here with a large paper tag. There's 2 pockets there. Pretty trim on that. And a double pocket here put together with a little brad. Oh, this is beautiful, like a vellum paper. That's really pretty. And we've got a glycine bag here with 2 small tags in it. We've got another sewn in invoice. Here's like a piece of kind of like wax paper, parchment paper, I believe it is. Some music paper. Lots of pretty scrapbook paper in here. That's some beautiful lace. And an envelope with some more tags in it. And then paper. So there's lots of room to journal in this one. So we've got a journaling card in here, and that's a tea stain dyed envelope that she's added to that with some stamping, it looks like. Lots of paper. You could do scripture writing in this. You could do, any type of journaling you want to do in this. So it's just a beautiful journal. And we've got a wax seal that she's made here with a rose. A couple more tags. And another part of that vellum paper. Here's a pocket here with some tags. Another pocket made from the doily and a couple little tags inside there. They've got some bling on the edge of them. And we've got a nice pocket here with a large piece of paper. Gorgeous colors. And then another pocket here at the back with some paper in it. And then we have the back cover, and it has more journaling cards in it. This one is sewn. This one almost feels like maybe wallpaper, and we've got a little key on it. So it's a beautiful journal. Like I said, it's turquoise and green, 2 signatures, an embroidered front, and it just needs somebody to love it and want to use it. And I just have not had the opportunity or time. And so I would like to see it go to a home where maybe it can be used or gifted to someone. So I'll leave some information down in the description box for you if you're interested. Just comment sold for the teal, we'll say teal green journal. And if you have any questions, please just send me a message. I'll also put these on Instagram, and my handle there is Precious Memory Boxes also, so you can message me there if you're interested. Okay, the other journal I have is more of a grungy, kind of shabby chic type journal. And it also has, I think it has 2 or 3 signatures in it. So let's go ahead and open it. It has a, this is also material over like chipboard type cover. Has this beautiful long vintage lace. pretty rose on the front. And on the inside, there's a pocket with a sewn tag. Really pretty kind of collage there. That's beautiful. And we've got some eyelet paper. So I'm just going to flip through this one and take out and show you. And that the tags in this are very sturdy. And then we do have a few pieces that are lighter. So, but I would say they're all probably on at least lightweight cardstock. Journaling card and a tuck spot. And we've got a pocket with a card. And we've got a secret journaling spot here. More tags. This is a sewn tag that's much heavier. That is up where it's glued down. And we've got a tag here. We've got some grungy paper. And let's see, in here we have like a fold out paper that you can journal on. And I believe some of this may be some Tim Holtz type paper. This one is a pocket that you can add a tag to. And then we've got another sewn journaling card, or tag, I'm sorry. I thought this was fascinating. A zipper in there and a large journaling tag. Isn't that neat? Not sure how she did that. I guess she sewed it in from the back, but that's really neat. Another double pocket. She sewed around a card. And that was our first signature. And it looks like there's two signatures in here. All right, our second signature. Tag in a pocket. Oh, that's beautiful. Large tag. We've got a pocket here in the center with a little tea stain dyed little scrappy notebook to write in. Tuck spot here. There's a pocket here. Some graph paper. I love graph paper. And this is crocheted lace with some tags. It's really pretty. Another tuck spot. And we've got a large paper pocket. Looks like it has 3 pockets in it. Lots of space to journal in this journal, definitely. And a triple tag pocket here. And then we've got a flip envelope here. I think that's empty. Yeah, nothing in there. Oh, no, there is a tag. There's a journaling card tag in there. Some more paper. And then another. Oh, I thought that came up, but it doesn't. It's just the way that page is done. A top tuck and a side pocket here. And that's the back of our journal. So again, very nice journal. I didn't count the pages, but I may try to count them before I put them in the description down below so you'll know how many pages are in it. Again, I love this journal, but I haven't had the opportunity to work in it or do anything in it, and I just want to be able to pass it on to someone else who's going to love and appreciate it. So please check out the description down below if you're interested, and if you can also check it out on Instagram. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.